fried green plantain, Jamaican breakfast. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you. So here I have some oil in my hand because I don't want the stain from the plantains to stick to my hands. So we are peeling off our plantain, peeling that skin off, and getting ready to fry them. And sometimes things like this might left, you want to just slightly take them off. Okay? Yeah. There we go. Now it's time to slice and fry. A little bit of salt on top of them and rub them up nicely. So see it here, guys. Now in I'm going with my plantains. See it here? I'm going in with all my plantains. So once the plantain is looking like this on one side, see that golden color, you want to switch them over so the other side can fry too. Okay, guys? You don't want to burn up the plantains. You want them looking nice golden like this. And I'm gonna crush them and show you. I use a file paper. I want it to be easy and breezy. So I use a file paper. Back in Jamaica, we use dish towel with the heel of our palm of our hand, and the dish towel get messy and all of that. Here in America, they have this wood stuff now that they use to crush the plantains. You can use that also, but I like to use file papers because by the time I'm finished with this, I just dumped it, and I'm gonna show you. And when you crush your plantain, you can use your hands or you can use something that gives you a little bit more. This is what we have. And look how easy it get off the file paper. See that? Nice and easy. Right off the file paper, just like that. America make things very easy for people. So guys, make it easy for yourself also. Okay? You don't want nothing to be taking too long to get off. Look how easy. Look at that. So easy. You can crush them in the plantain skins. Okay, I'm gonna fry them again. So now I'm going in back again with my plantains. See that? Look at that, guys. Fire this up once, so fire this up once, so people, look at that, guys. Plantain nice to see. I love plantain. This is so delicious. This is looking so good, and I'm gonna have this with some callaloo. Guys, I am going to enjoy my breakfast, so I'm sharing this with you guys. Okay, soon come back. So my plantains are finished, guys. So now you can remove your plantains and put them on top of a paper towel so some of that oil can remove from that plantains. Okay, looking nice and gold and crispy. All right, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have it with some callaloo. That's all for this morning. Alrighty, look at that. On your table, I want this. Try this from my kitchen to yours. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.